Now, everybody loves a breakfast parfait.
I love it because you got 4 different kinds of fruit that I really like. You got fresh strawberries, fresh bananas, raspberries, and blueberries. I love all these.
So you can cut us a few more strawberries.
Okay.
And while you're doing that, I'm gonna put together our parfaits. And I have a vanilla low-fat yogurt.
Yep.
I have granola. I've got raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, a little honey, and almonds. So I'm just gonna layer this in, Bobby, and I'm gonna put maybe about 2 tablespoons in the bottom of the glass. And you'll wanna be careful because you don't want it to slop all over your sides. I mean, you want it nice and clean. And this is so simple. I'm gonna put a layer of blueberries, a layer of raspberries.
You know, normally you think of something like this being heavy and fattening, and this one is not. It's full of great fresh fruits and yogurt.
Yet guilt-free.
It's a trick.
All right, now I'm gonna layer
What do you think, we got enough?
a couple of strawberries. And then I'm gonna sprinkle a layer of the granola.
And what's that, almonds?
A layer of almonds. And then in for the sweet goodness. And that's the honey. Okay, here, Bobby.
I'm gonna slice your banana while you're doing that, Mom.
Okay,
I'm gonna
look.
take a banana and cut it in half, and then I'm gonna do it halfways again.
Look a here, look a here. Another layer of our yogurt. You know, I've always said, Bobby, you eat it first with your eyes.
For the last 20 years, I've been hearing that.
All right, let's see, we want another layer of fruit.
I'm seeing the bananas getting edged out of the recipe.
No, this is kind of like a banana split. All right, a few raspberries. One more.
That looks great.
Jack loves raspberries, Bobby.
Jack loves all fruit. Jack would eat blueberries till
He puts them on his finger, and
I think I remember doing that with olives when I was a kid. Jack would just about rather eat fruit than cookies.
Oh, Jack would rather have fruit than a cookie.
Yeah. His parents are sabotaging you, aren't they?
Yes, they are. Back with the granola. Another round of almonds. Look at this. And finally, your banana, Bobby.
Okay, you were right.
And a little more, 1 drop of yogurt on top.
Maybe a little bit more honey? A little bit of fresh mint on there?
And we have a wonderful, good-for-you breakfast parfait.
Love it. It looks great.
You know, this will allow us to eat some of that gorilla bread.
Is it good?
I love the crunch that
I'll have the whole
the
thing.
granola gives it. Don't go anywhere, y'all.
Please.
Yum, yum,
Very good.
yum. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.